when the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lego Stars of my gun, guys. Today is number day 23. So we've got 2 builds left, guys, so let's get on with it. And there is, guys, today's build is the almighty gunk droid in a Christmas form. You know what, that's pretty nice. We did get a gunk droid about 3 years ago now, guys. This is nicely updated as a nice little Christmas present. This is pretty funny, guys, and I do enjoy it. But guys, tomorrow is the final day, day number 24. We will probably get the final minifigure, guys, and then on day number 25, going to do a ranking of all the builds. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.